Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about bloom boxes and how they have fuel cells that combine chemically and create electrical energy. So basically, a bloom box is a green sourced power plant which is creating energy in a cheap and clean manner compared to like traditional power grids. And the reason of this invention was to basically replace these traditional ways of getting electricity. It's roughly the size of like a refrigerator. You can see in the picture in the right corner. That's what it's supposed to look like, and usually they stack them in like a cube formation. And basically, the more boom boxes you have, the more the more electricity you have. So a stacked version of 64 could like power an entire building. And then if you use like a smaller formation of the cubes, it could provide electricity for like a home in like a traditional home in the US. This bloom box came from a former oxygen generator in one of NASA's Mars program. I think that's where they got the technology from. And then basically the way that it works is the bloom box has like a very high temperature inside, which is maintained because this whole process is electrochemical. So then basically the high temperature is sustained in the bloom box, and then this is giving the heat that's needed for the fuel cells to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. So what happens is on the cathode side, which is where the negatively charged electrode has electrons enter from, that's where air comes in from in the fuel cell. And then as this is happening, steam mixes with like the natural gas, which in the diagram below you can see like the example is like methane, which enters from the anode side, which is the positively charged, not the negatively one. And then as the steam's mixing with this natural gas or biogas, reformed fuel is produced, and then this reformed fuel starts to cross over the anode side, and then it attracts oxygen ions from the cathode side and combines with those ions. And then when this combining of oxygen ions and reformed fuels happens, it produces electricity, steam, and carbon dioxide. And so you get your electricity, and then carbon dioxide is also produced. And then the steam, like the production of steam that's coming from this reaction is recycled to reform the fuel. And so this way, water isn't necessary for like this whole reaction to occur. And then that's how the whole bloom box works. There's a diagram on the bottom here which shows like what I just stated in a picture version, and then you can just like see how the cathode and anode side are working together to finally create electricity from both sides. Thank you.